How to rebuild your credit score after divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. Divorce can take a toll on your emotions and sometimes your finances too. If your credit score took a hit during the divorce process, don't worry. Rebuilding your credit after divorce is absolutely possible with a few smart moves and a little patience. Let's go over how to get started. First, check your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for any errors, unpaid accounts, or joint debts that need to be addressed. Catching issues early helps you fix problems before they do more damage. Next, focus on paying all your bills on time every time. Payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score, so even small bills like utilities and credit cards need to be paid consistently. Setting up autopay can be a great way to stay on track. We helped a client who didn't realize her ex had missed payments on a shared account during their separation. After closing joint accounts and focusing on consistent payments for 6 months, her credit score rebounded by nearly 100 points. At Divorce 661, we not only help finalize your divorce, we also provide post-divorce financial checklists to help you organize your new life and rebuild faster. If your debts are high, focus on paying down balances aggressively. Try to keep credit utilization under 30% of your available limit. Even paying a little extra each month can make a big impact over time. If you're coming out of a divorce and want to make sure you're taking all the right steps to rebuild your financial future, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you move forward legally, financially, and confidently into your next chapter.